Hello viewers, I am going to show you how to create Telugu dotted characters in MS Word Telugu. Now we shall enter into the start button. Let us type word here. We have got this drop down Microsoft Office Word 2007. In my lap I have this 2007 MS Word. Now let us get into insert option here. Now get into this word art. We can choose from this different styles. Let me choose this one. Now to type the word in Telugu here, we have to open in online with this link. Try Google Input Tools online. Now here we have English language as a drop down. Let us click on this drop down. We have got a number of languages here. Now let us select Telugu. Now if what all I type here in English, it will get converted into Telugu automatically. Let me type software. Let us click on this. So now copy paste it into the MS Word. Now we shall also increase its font size. Let us enhance it to 60. OK. Now by dragging this, let us improve its size. Now what I want to show you is get into this shape fill option. Select as no fill so that it would be empty inside the border lines. Now again get into this shape outline. Get into this drop down of dashes. Now let me select this. You can look here. We have got the border lines as dash border lines we have got here. Now to improve or enhance the size of the border line, again we shall enter into this shape outline. Now here let us select the drop down of weight. Now you can see if I choose this, how it is portrayed. Okay. Now again let me enter into this shape outline, weight, again select this one. Now you can see how it got changed. One more last trial. Again by selecting this drop down shape outline and in it the weight drop down. Now select this one. Now you can see how it is displayed. This is the way how to create MS Word in any language. For this what we have to do is we have to get into the online through Chrome. This is the key thing. Try Google Input Tools online. With this tool we have to select the language whichever we want and type whatever we want. For example, let us select Hindi. Now if I type desktop, it gets converted to Hindi. After this, we have to copy paste the same into the MS Word. This is all what we have to do to create the MS Word in any of the languages we wish. Thank you viewers. If you like my video, please subscribe it and like it if you feel there is content in it. Thank you.